not good. Maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Dude, that tire almost got a hold of you in the car.
Yo, look at the tire. Yo, look at the quarter pin.
If drifting had like final destination, just stop here.
Well, I know where too far is.
The lollipop's really off. Yeah. It's not okay.
Yeah, it still gets it within spec, but that's how much the chassis is off.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well,
I told you.
I was like, hey, it's not that bad. Look.
Well,
Yep.
this was about an inch and a half or so, give or take.
It hurt. My neck hurts more now looking at that. So this entire piece right here, these spot weld, spot weld, spot weld, 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 weld. It comes all the way up and ends here. More spot welds on the outside and comes around here. So it's like this piece right here. Way worse than I thought. Well, she's back. Sheesh. Looking a little straighter. And vibrating in the front. You can feel something just moving around on transitions and stuff. I think it's gotta...
I'll have to bend this a little bit more because it's bent this way now, and this is like it's touching against it. It's like really close, so with the engine vibration it would make a significant noise. This would cause a vibration that you were feeling on the steering wheel because it's touching the ribs on the tire. Take it off for now. Allow clearance and modify. Yeah, this was definitely what you were feeling right now. First lap. Nice.
Hell
all
yeah.
out. Yeah.
You go, Glen Coco.
Well,
it looks great.
I think the car feels better than ever, partner. I think we're way straighter than before.
It
Good
feels
job.
real good. Yeah.
No, it feels awesome. I want to go down pressure. Maybe drop to like 10. And see how it feels.
Did you just say she's all bricked up?
We enhance the grip. I didn't say no such thing.
She's bricked
I
up.
said grip.
Bricked up.
Yeah, she's not gripped up, she's bricked up.
She's bricked up.
Oh my god. I never used that word before, but I googled bricked up, and I don't know how a girl will be bricked up based on what I found as reference. I
She'll
don't
show
know.
you right now how she's bricked.
I just wanna win. I'm on state your name.
Is that gripping enough for you?
It doesn't feel like it.
What do you mean it doesn't feel like it?
I'm feeling like there's a, and this could have always been that way, and I'm just overthinking it, but I feel like there's a little slop somewhere in the drivetrain. So like when I go to clutch take or if I lift off the gas, it's kind of like you can feel it, the lift, something like shifting. Like when I lift, and kind of when I make different movements, it definitely could take a lot more grip, but that's just like a weird, like even if I were to drive straight, you can sort of hear it if I'm like rolling on the gas and I let off, it goes, like something feels like it's moving. That doesn't make sense, right?
I mean, the dog bucks always have that thing because it has play in the ears.
Yeah.
So I mean, from driving the RX-7 to driving this, you're gonna feel that now.
Yeah.
If you wanted to be grippier, we just have to add toe in. But right now it's where you want it. How does it feel?
It's at 0 right now? It's not at 0. What is it at?
About a quarter.
What?
About a quarter in.
A quarter in? I mean, it's hard to feel it here. I feel like this place just doesn't have that much grip. But I'll definitely feel that probably at E-Town.
Yeah, the car's so different now from what it was, basically, because it's straighter than it's ever been, I think.
What's the shock at?
I haven't checked. You said it was full stop before, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, that would make sense.
What?
I'm running here with way more wheel speed than I ever have. Because this is the same gear from E-Town, right?
Yeah, you said what, like 130 or
This is like 113, and normally at the compound we run like
101.
101. So that's probably why I'm feeling like, damn, I'm just flashing through the drip here. So that makes sense. Okay, then that's pretty freaking sick. I'm honestly surprised I was driving here with it being 113. I feel like even before, I struggled to do 110 wheel speed here. I just couldn't like keep it wicked up, and it felt really bad. So that means the car is a lot better if I'm feeling good with that wheel speed. And it honestly, it does feel really good.
Feels solid, front end feels solid, everything. No weird sloppiness on the steering.
You know, steering, turn-in, angle, like responsiveness in terms of the chassis, everything feels great. The only weird thing is like that slop somewhere in the driveline that I'm like feeling. Like that last entry I kind of bailed, I clutch ticked, and I felt it and heard it. But the car feels freaking great, partner. I think this is the straightest this thing's ever been. Brand new, good as new. Should have done that a long time ago. Just kidding. No, should have done that a long time ago. Yeah, dude, good job. Car feels amazing. I mean, seems like it's happy. It's just really freaking hot right now. So after like one lap.
Oh no, you're hot in there. We're dying out here, even though we got the breeze.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal. At least it's not that humid today. I really want to drive more, but
Well,
I want to have like a purpose, you know, like in life.
We're here to fucking drive.
Donnie.
Your tires are done.
Yeah.
2 laps now at the compound? What is with this 2 laps?
You did like 10 minutes of burnout there.
No, I barely made smoke till the very end.
That's heat tires. You don't need to warm them up that much. Scrub
See,
the fronts,
that's what I told her.
barely spin the rears.
What do you mean? My
They get
whole...
hot on the run up.
What? Oh, you didn't get hot? Yeah.
Like
I was barely doing a burnout though. I only made smoke at the end.
A burnout contest sometimes.
I mean...
Donnie, can you drive your car?
This one's
Johnny's, you want practice?
Yeah, no, I can't do that.
Okay,
Come
drive
on.
mine.
What'd you do?
Yeah, no, I can't do that, Davis.
What did you do?
I'm down a cylinder.
Oh, not you. Wait, so Alberta, you had, sorry, it just occurred to me, you had a quarter of toe in this, and you told me there was 0.
Boo.
That's what you
Ooh,
need. 'Cause
so-
if you do 0, it's gonna push out.
I
had
have to really
0.
think this
like,
one
all my
through.
testing at each
So she wants one thing, but we also want another for winning events. So we had to make compromises and meet right in the middle.
And by compromises, he means lies. There were
Look
lies.
how much better she drove.
We just tell you.
Right, it worked out,
I
right?
had to drive
It was
harder.
a good call.
113 mile per hour wheel speed.
Yeah, so do that.
So now did the car feel better than it's ever been?
Look at leave her on the
I
FaceTime
think it's a
over
little
there.
more to do with the restructuring of the car than the toe in the rear, but yeah.
It's a combination of everything.
It felt good. Yeah, he told me there's 0 toe and it's really a quarter.
Well, to be
What a big
honest,
liar.
okay, here's what happened, right? So we had that side set to 1/8 in. Then I put it at 0. It's like, oh man, now the truss angle is gonna be off. So I thought I'm gonna have to make it a quarter to be able to have the car centered. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna like adjust it real quick when I'm both checking the car. Put it at a quarter, not tell her. She's gonna drive better. She better feels amazing. It's like, yeah, it's good, right? So I worked out.
That's true. The driver shouldn't know what's going on back there,
Okay,
other
let's
than what you
chill.
feel.
Let's relax
Straight
in this
up.
conversation.
Collete.
No, not
Collete,
straight up.
You
That
shouldn't
drives
know
me
any
crazy.
settings at all. You should only feel. Be like,
I
oh,
should
this
know
feels
settings.
no, nothing at all. No,
Yes.
no. You drive the
Cut.
car, it feels good.
Cut.
No,
Drop him
that's
out.
too much thinking.
Don't listen
The
to him.
second you start thinking about settings, you lost.
No, you don't.
100%.
That's what gives you the
No.
advantage versus
tell-
the
you
people
tell
that just
Alberto
drive out there
knows.
and don't know what the hell's
Alberto
going on.
knows what's going on. He's gonna
Alberto.
he's gonna pick exactly.
Sounds like maybe.
I can't do it.
Alberto.
We're supposed to do 1/2 inch, you know, so a quarter is a, you know, it's a pretty good compromise right there. It's like right in the middle.
We'll see if it's
He
a
knows what's
compromise
best.
when I'm getting in late to outer 2 in a couple days, but we'll see. I should be there. I would like to work my way up there.
We're gonna
But
put
the issues I
a
was
weight
having-
Get on the
shoe
sim,
on that.
put your quarter in on the sim, and get your shit out there to outer 2.
Keep your shit out there.
Wait a second, hold on.
Fucking
You're
skinny
talking about
pedal
toe.
down,
You
get
took
your
all
shit
the
out
toe
there.
out of the FD cars.
I know, I didn't take toe
She
out.
has 0 toe on her FD car in the sim.
Oh my god.
I
No.
mean, I can't even drive the FD car in the sim. I'm still only
Verbatim,
able to
she
drive
said
it.
I
it
found a
feels
new
so
good
much
car.
better.
Oh
And
my
she
God.
drove better too.
Oh my god.
Are we
Not the
roasting Collete
S14,
right now?
but the
Yeah.
Arista.
Roast the
They're
Collete.
roasting my sim setup that has 0 thought put
Listen,
into it.
no more sim driving. That was great.
No, we
That
need
was
the
great.
sim drive.
no,
We
sim
need the
drive.
sim
More
drive.
all well, put toe in the sim.
Yeah, put toe on the
Put toe
sim.
in the sim.
Coffee.
She took it out.
She's not allowed to
We
look at
need
the
that
settings.
same
I don't know
commitment
what
as
the
a
settings
driver.
are. I listen to what her coffee says.
More of the story, believe in yourself, kids.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes, there we go.
Just gotta believe.
Alberto!
We're ready for FD. Safety first. I'm just saying, are we ready? We're loading this thing up.
We're getting bricked up and loaded up.